Alright, hang on. Let's take a look at this thing before you light it.
70 sparklers.
Wow, with one, are you gonna be able to run away fast enough?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody back. Naney.
Back up more.
Is it doing it yet?
I don't know.
Yes, that's me.
Okay.
It's got to get down to it. It's getting into it.
Don't do it yet.
It's got to burn the.
That's me.
Oh, it's not.
It's doing it.
Nice.
Better than I thought. Yeah, so I guess duct tape is
Naney, stay over there.
a big sparkler, and electrical tape is an explosion, I guess.
Now we have to wait for this to go out.